Hi guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. This is the second video that I'm making today of my new series where I'm creating Excel tips and tricks. These are very short videos where I'm quickly trying to help you guys learn new things. Now, let us say, for example, I have this particular details here in a Wikipedia page which I want to copy from here to an Excel sheet. So generally what people tend to do is that they go here and try and select the information, copy this, go back to Excel and paste the information here, and it will appear something like this. So instead of doing this, I'm going to teach you a different way of getting the information straight from Wikipedia to your Excel sheet. So the first thing that you will need to do is you need to copy the link of the Wikipedia page or any other web page where you want to get the data from, and then go to the data tab and click on from web and paste the link over here and click on OK. So the moment you do this, so you will see that there are different tables that are available in this particular data set. So let us just quickly scroll through and see what is it that we would like to have been copied to our Excel sheet. Now this is the information that we were looking for. It is in table 3, and you will see that we have all the details exactly what we saw there in the Wikipedia page. And then one thing you will notice immediately is that the first row is also giving us the same details as our headers. So I would like to click on transform data here. So once the Power Query editor opens here, you can simply click on use first row as headers, and the first row will become the headers of that particular table. And if you want to make any other changes, you can do so, and then simply click on close and load, and you will get all of that data loaded into your Excel file in a table format, which is very neat and clean for you to understand. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope you've liked and enjoyed this video. Please consider liking and dropping a comment to let me know how you guys like this particular tutorial, and also do subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.